In this tutorial, we will see how we can create a Learning Analytics Enriched Rubric. For this purpose, we have created a test course in Moodle. We will scroll down to the last section of the course, where we will find a new assignment called Surface Assessment. We click on that, and then we click Advanced Grading from the settings of the assignment. And now we can choose Learning Analytics Enriched Rubric as a new advanced grading method. Now we can either define a new grading form from scratch, or we can create a grading form from a template that we have previously created. Let's define a new grading form from scratch. We will give a name to our form, let's say Learning Analytics E-Rubric. We will skip the description and we will add the first criterion called General Engagement in Collaboration. The first level, let's say not enough, student gets 0 points. Second level, adequate, student gets 1 point. And third level, more than enough, student gets 2 points. We want to check collaboration, and the collaboration type for this criterion should be simple occurrences. We choose the course modules to examine, let's say the general forum and the to know us better chat. And we want these occurrences to be more than according to the student only. And let's say for occurrences that happened more than 20 times, the student gets 2 points. For more than 10 times, the student gets 1 point. And for less than 10 times, the student gets 0 points. We will now add another criterion called Contribution of Files to Others. The first level, we will call it minimal. The student gets 0 points. Second level, enough contributions. The student gets 1 point, and more than enough contribution for the third level, the student gets 2 points. We want to check collaboration. The collaboration type for this criterion should be file submissions in the course's general forum and the think phase forum and the surface forum. We can only choose forums course modules for this. Let's say we want the file submissions to be equal according to the student. If the student have made 3 file submissions, he gets 2 points. For 2 file submissions, he gets 1 point. And for 0 submissions, he gets 0 points. The next criterion, we will call it replies to others. The first level is minimal replies, the student gets 0 points. The second level is enough replies, the student gets 1 point. And for the third level, more than enough, the student gets 2 points. We want to check collaboration, and the collaboration type for this should be forum replies. We can only choose forum course modules, like let's say the Surface forum and the Perface forum. We want these forum replies to be more than according to the student. Let's say for more than 10 times, the student gets 2 points. For more than 5 times, the student gets 1 point. And for less than 5 times, the student gets 0 points. Let's create another criterion. We will call it Students Interacted. The first level is minimal. The student gets 0 points. Second level, enough students. The student gets 1 point. And third level, for more than enough students, the student gets 2 points. We want to check the collaboration, and the collaboration type for this is people interacted. We will choose, let's say, the general forum and to know us better chat and instant sharing chat and And let's also pick surface forum. We want this amount of people to be more than, according to the student. Let's say for more than 5 people, the student gets 2 points. For more than 3 people, the student gets 1 point, and for less than 3 people, the student gets 0 points. We will add another criterion called performance on other assignments. The first level is poor performance. Student gets 0 points. For good performance, student gets 1 point, and for very good performance, student gets 2 points. The criterion type you should check is grade, and we want to check the grades on these course modules: per phase assessment and think phase assessment. We want the student grades to be more than, according now to other students' average grade. So if the student grade is more than 100% of the average grade of other students, the student gets 2 points, and if it's more than 25% of the average grade of other students, the student gets 1 point, and for less than 25%, the student gets 0 points. Let's add another criterion. We will call it reading of resources. The first level is minimal reading, student gets 0 points. Second level, enough reading, the student gets 1 point, and for more than enough reading, the student gets 2 points. For this, we will check study, and we will check the study for these course resources, assignments time schedule, and course guide, and laws of nuclear physics, and online material. And let's say we want the student to have read these course resources according to himself more than, let's say, 15 times, he gets 2 points. For more than 5 times, he gets 1 point, and for less than 5 times, he gets 0 points. So this is how our Learning Analytics e-rubric form looks so far. We can choose to delete a course module by clicking this. Of course, we won't do it now, so we will click cancel. And these are our rubric options and our enriched criteria options. We will just save enriched rubric and make it ready. And this is how our new Learning Analytics e-rubric form is displayed.